one thing I could say about concepts, when it comes to presentation, they gotta be up there, man. Maybe even number one. Yes, sir. So after striking out on the Air Max 1 Concept Heavies and the Mellows, I think those are the names, crazy names. I said, this far out one, I better get. And Concepts blessed me, and I was able to secure the pair. And in my opinion, I'm not saying this just because this is the one I got. I think this is the best pair. When I first purchased it and got the confirmation and looked at the pictures, I said, what did I just buy? But now that they're in hand, the jean material, the bandana, the Murakami look flowers, this sneaker is fire. So you know you clicked on the channel. This is Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking in. Hopefully you subscribe. Today we're going to do an in-depth review on the Air Max 1 Far Out. And just looking at it, I believe it has something to do with the 70s, the hippie look, Woodstock. So you get the word far out. You know, that's one of those slangs that was used back in the day. This one here is the special box. I'm not sure if the pair is different, but the box is definitely different, as I showed y'all in the B-roll earlier. This sneaker here has a lot of things that I love in a sneaker. So man, I'm just excited to get into this review. So without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. So off rip, before you get into the Nike box, you got a colorful 60s, 70s Woodstock look box. If you look close, that looks like, you know, the one of the buses that they used back in the days. Kind of looks like the Scooby-Doo bus, but yeah, as you can see there, that looks like the bus that they used back in the day. Whole bunch of concept references in the inside of the box. If you look closely, that reads concept. On the top, you also got something that reads concept. This is just the outer of the box. The actual sneaker box reads concepts on the front and back. Got a nice Nike swoosh there, a la Murakami look. And the top has all like the materials that's in the sneaker. So you have the bandana there. I'm not sure what you would call any of this stuff, but that's the colors that's in the sneaker. You see the Murakami look I was telling y'all about there. The flower look there. And as I told you, this is the special box, so you know how concepts do. They're going to give us some tricks, some treats, and all of the above. So inside this bandana has a lot of stuff, so I don't want to show you the bandana first. You got a whole bunch of stickers, a la Supreme style. This one reads concept, but it's the shape of the bus I was telling y'all about before. Another concept sticker. This one has like a flower with some potion around it. You guys that's 420, y'all know what that is. The hippie peace sign with concepts in it also. Concepts in like a space look, put bandana around it. Jesus Christ, man, there's a lot of stuff. A nice air freshener for the car, dope look. And if you're going to be in Woodstock, it's going to rain. A poncho. And this here is, wow, this is dope, guys. Take a look at this. It's a record, but it's a mini record. But it's a real vinyl, guys. Real vinyl on the record. So this one has like stars and stripes. This one, same thing, kinda, just a little different design. And finally, you get to the bandana. The lime green colorway, purple writing, and it reads, Love or Confusion, 1969, with concepts on all four corners. Now finally we can get to the shoe. So this right here is the right shoe. Let me give you guys a 360 view of it. Yes, sir. I never knew jean material matched this perfect with purple, man. But I love the look. So your toe box all the way up to like the high mid part is that nice jean material, the stonewash jean, not the dark denim we usually get when a sneaker uses jean, as you can see. There's some symbols in there. It looks like maybe an eye, a star, and a moon. If you know in the comment section below, help me out, help your boy out. I didn't do no research behind that. Around the toe box is a nice lavender purple bandana look, but it's not bandana material. It's more of jean material also. It just has a bandana print. It comes with your white shoestrings. These look to be more rope look, not like your regular shoestrings or a Nike SB look. Not even seen on the Air Max before. More of like a rope-ish look. These ones right here is what I want to talk about. These look more velvet look, sort of like the Nike SB Valentine's Day joints. But we'll get more into that as we look more into the sneaker. But keep in mind these dope shoelaces right here. The swoosh here looks to be cut off a little bit, but you can see the flowers. The background is black, but the flowers are so bright you can't really notice the black. There's many different color flowers in there. Get more towards the back of the shoe. The purple bandana is met with a lime green bandana. Same bandana look that comes with the sneaker. And y'all know your boy love a mini swoosh. And there's a lot of them on this sneaker. You have one upside down there, one there, and that pair complements the back. You got like more of a medium-sized swoosh here with the ropes hanging off. You know, I guess that's by design. Well, it should be by design. As you look at the Air logo under the Nike swoosh logo, the A string is hanging off and the R string is hanging off, but the I seems to be in place. As you look here at the top, the concept logo is blended in that design. Very dope look, man. As you see, it says concepts right here. And that nice design up top that actually changes the color of the sneaker. The sneaker's light down here, green, purple, the light jean, but as you get up here, it's a totally different design. I told y'all how bad I like this swoosh here, but the swoosh on the side of the sneaker here, I believe is doper, man. Like, I like this design, this color blocking. It looks like it can glow, but it doesn't. And you got like light green, mid green, and then a nice perfect blue to bring everything together here. It's so much to talk about with this sneaker, man. So you know you can't have Woodstock without some kind of cow material. In the 60s and 70s, they were wearing that rapidly. So right here you got some cow material, and it is in that animal material. Can't tell if it's real or fake, but knowing Nike, it's fake. They don't like to really play with animals. But you got that cow material at the mid bottom of the shoelace. And as if we didn't have a million materials already, if you look closely at the eyelids, this is corduroy. So they have corduroy material on the eyelids. You got corduroy, pony hair, bandana, jean, and guitar stripe design all on one sneaker, man. It's crazy. And we didn't even get to the tongue. So Concepts is saying that this tongue is flight jacket material. But earlier, as I showed y'all this, it looks more of a velvet look to me. Like, it looks just like the Nike SB Love sneakers. I forget the name of them, but I'll put a picture up so y'all can know what I mean. It comes in the red shoelaces. It's the same look as the white. But if you're going to stay red, I suggest go with these shoelaces. These shoelaces are so dope. Right here's the left shoe. Everything seems to like look just like the right side. But on the left shoe, you have a nice Concepts logo here. It's just a triangle. It's not a heart. But it reads Concepts on one side, Nike in on one side. But what I didn't mention is down here. If you look at the clear air bubble, it looks like it's already been muddied and dirty, you know, from walking around Woodstock or those festivals in the 60s and the 70s. And you got those stains all on the bottom of the shoe. But mostly you see it in a clear air bubble. Very dope look, man. The bottom is already muddy. I mean, they could have made it white with some mud stains, but I like this look because it gives it that gum look that people like at the bottom of sneakers. Both insoles are different, as one reads Concepts at the top with the Concepts logo, and one reads Nike. Now, guys, I ain't gonna lie. I always tell y'all my favorite Air Max 1 ever is the Safari joints. But Concept has given me something to think about. The effort they put into this shoe is so dope, man. And y'all could go back in the archives and check out all my pattern reviews, the khaki, the blue. I had all of them. Go check out the archives. I'll put one up here and then you can check the other ones. Those were great sneakers. But what Concepts did with this far out pair here, man, it's remarkable. Like, they left nothing regular on the Air Max 1. The patta, they put some waves on it, which was regular but dope. But Concepts took this another level. They took it like to level 11 with this sneaker here. In my opinion, the price tag was a little steep. I paid $260 shipped to me in New York. But I do have the special pair. I believe the regular pair is going for like $70 cheaper. Trust me, guys, you get this sneaker in hand, you're gonna love it, man. Like, I thought I brought something that I couldn't even review. This sneaker is dope. Let me know in the comment section below, was you able to cop? I brought it off Concepts last Saturday, the day they released. They just came, so that's why y'all getting the review now. But let me know how y'all feel about these, man. A lot of people don't like colorful sneakers, but I think the jean material justifies and blends everything together, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.